How to change text shape in Capcut. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to make sure that the text you would like to change the shape has already been uploaded to Capcut. Now guys, you want to go ahead and highlight the text. Now go ahead and tap on styles. Now you want to go ahead and tap on styles again. Now you are going to scroll over to where you see curve and tap on that. Now go ahead and select the second option, and then to change the shape of these words you can actually just change the intensity. By increasing or reducing it, you would be changing the text shape on CapCut. Easy, right? Now if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.